Hello and welcome to Caravan Salon Düsseldorf. I've got this Chausson model here to show you. It's what's called in German alcove, but in English we'll say cab over. You can see the shape of it coming down, and let's have a look at the price. It's the C6 Chausson 656 first line, and this is going to cost 73,000 euros. And here's some technical details for you. So it is 306 centimeters high, and the length is 696 centimeters. So what we can see is that this is meant to be a sort of a family motorhome. And to that end, we've got a bed up there for two people, and we've got a semi-dinette here, sorry, dinette I should say, it's not semi, which can put it into a bed. There's also a bunk at the rear. They're coming now to the front. You will notice that there's a window on one side. Up there we have a window in the roof with somebody stuck a leaflet in there. And over here we have a rather unusual design, a pocket for keeping anything you might have taken up there into bed with you. So, you know, empty beer cans, crisp packets, and this type of thing. This part here will move up to allow you more space when you're coming in and out of the driver and passenger sides. It also comes with a table over here and storage there. And, well, this hasn't been used. It's always a pity this doesn't get used. I do appreciate that the roof is a odd shape to use the whole thing, but it's always a pity. There's a curtain up there as well, if anybody's up there sleeping and doesn't want to see what's going on in the rest of the vehicle. This has 6 belted positions. 2 are down there, 2 are over there, and 2 are at the front. Table is absolutely enormous, and obviously makes a bed as well. Coming back here, we have a wardrobe, which I shall show. Storage above, we have this very large Thetford fridge, and somebody's keeping their Thetford toilet materials in the fridge, and why not, they have to go somewhere. Although I don't think that would work so well if they're kept in the fridge. Anyway, maybe I'm wrong. Two burners, sink, storage under the kitchen unit. And the back here, we've got this washroom, and the washroom comes with a false wall. Here, I'll open this up for you if I can. To reveal the shower over there. Oh, and you can sit on there when you're washing your feet, you see? To think of everything. 2 drainage points in the shower. Comes with a sensible sliding door. This will lock in place via that device over there, and there's a bit of storage in the shower as well. Here's the bed at the back, steps up to the bed at the back, and now let's have a look at what's in the garage. That was higher than I was expecting. Right, if I can open it, that is. I thought this was going to be a problem. Ooh, that was vicious strut up there. Okay, got all this space here in the garage. Also, you can make actually a 6th bed here as well, if that's what's required. This board will come out, as you can see there, and there's at the other ends we've got here. So won't come out, rather it'll come down, it'll come flat, and you put the mattress on the top of it. So it sleeps 6, but if you're sleeping 5, you do get this enormous garage as well to play with. Right, let's see if this thing's going to bite me again. And it's come out again. There we go. I'll be careful with that one next time. Now, when you've got something like this in the rear, it normally indicates that this is the presence of a bunk bed. could do with a reversing camera. Get one installed. Right, I'm going to risk this as well. You see that in this side the door is much smaller. And here we've got a little description of what this is. So it says here, the best for the family, the overcab, best for the family. And in this case, 140 horsepower engine, and it's got a manual gear change. 4 to 7 people can sleep in here. Ideal for a family, and it's a lot of space, comfort, high room gefühl, feeling, I suppose. High room rooms being used to the maximum. As far as this is concerned, Chausson's got 3 layouts, which we can see down here, and there we have some of the information about the vehicle. So while you're looking at the vehicle, I shall read out what these things are. So 140 Fiat horsepower engine. It's got climate control in the driver's position. It's got airbags. It's got both driver and passenger. It's got a cruise control. It's got a start-stop system. It's got a roof light, fix and go, which I think is related to tyres. It's got ESP, and it's got diesel heating and many other things. Right, so that is the Chausson. Now I'd show you the other overcab models, only they don't appear to be here, at least not in this part where I am right now. There might be somewhere else, but I can't actually see them. Never mind, can't actually. This is what the place looks like when it's empty, and I've got permission here to be here. I haven't just sneaked in whilst nobody was looking. I am here in my official capacity as a layabout. Anyway, let's look. This is a party going on though, so it's not exactly as though I'm alone. And it's my friend Peter, who does 3D modelling of campervans and motorhomes, and he's going to be in here all night doing his 3D modelling. But this sort of gives you an idea of the Chausson range. Going down there, we've got caravans, but here we've got lots of vehicles here. And this isn't even the full range that they possess. So Chausson manufactured in France. There's another brand called Challenger. And sorry, do you want to say something?
Alan, hello. I didn't want to interrupt your video.
Alan is the best guy. He's filming, and he's a very nice guy. I know him in person. He's more polite and better guy than you see in the movie.
Oh, thank you. Well, that's very nice. Well, why not say something about your channel? Channels.
We are mini campers, so we do something similar, but we are good friends.
Yeah.
And now we go back to Greece.
We leave now, Alan.
Yes, we're leaving
by
now.
car.
By car, yeah.
We'll cross all Germany.
Mm-hmm.
And maybe we'll arrive in Munich.
Yeah.
Stop and then we continue.
Yeah. No, it's a fantastic journey.
It's too much.
Yeah. No, it is a lot, and particularly in this heat.
Yes.
2 days for sure.
Oh, we are going into the heat for good.
Oh yeah, sure, yeah.
Going like 1 month heat.
Yeah.
For sure.
Yeah. Well, as soon as you walk out of here, it's pretty hot. So,
For us, it's normal.
Yes.
Now you do video, one camper particularly, or we are in the video now, right?
Yes, you're in the video. Yeah, yeah,
You
yes,
were
yeah.
doing the company or one car?
No, well, no, I did one, but I was just thought I'd have a walk around and have a look at
okay,
the Chausson range. So whilst well, but nothing in particular. I picked this because it was open.
Really nice. They're really lovely campers.
We see
Yeah.
Alan every year, like 3-4 years now.
Yes. We meet him. We have really good connection.
Yeah, it's very nice to hear.
Yes.
And I was thinking, where is Alan?
Yeah.
Yeah, because
We
this time,
find each other at this time.
Yes, at this time. Yes.
because before it's so crowded and maybe
We
some of these.
we may be so close, but we may not see each other because of so many people here.
That's true.
Yes.
Yes, no. We're 20,000 a day, I think it is. Or it's the 25,000. I can't remember, but
That's
it's,
a big number.
yeah. You can't really. I find it very difficult to film during the day because of all the people wandering around.
Yes.
Now it's perfect time.
Yes.
It
So-
was so nice to see you.
Yeah,
again.
you
So
too.
happy. Bye bye.
Bye. See you, bye. So I need to point out that the mini camper site is one of the highest subscribed to sites for RVs, caravans, motorhomes on internet. It's got far more subscribers than I have. I think something twice as many, something like that. So they've done a really good job. And they also have other sites, it's just tourist sites. Well, okay, I've got other sites as well. So anyway, so you see there's no, when people say things about competition, there isn't competition here as such. Well, at least on the whole, all friends, maybe one or two. I mean, it's nobody, as far as I'm aware, dislikes me, but there might be somebody dislikes, but I don't dislike anyone. Okay, I've taken you for a walk around, and I've just found a business card here, but it wasn't one of mine. It's from Consor Finance BNP Paribas. This is the video, this is the vehicle I just showed you. Thanks very much for watching. Hope you found it interesting. All the best from me in Germany.